Hey love, and welcome to Dear Love. I'm Greta. So I just wanted to make a little welcome video for the channel, just welcome you in to Dear Love and the community and the offerings of the channel and who I am. So as for Dear Love, this channel was built out of my deep passion for women's health and the menstrual cycle, and I'll put it this way. I feel like there's just so much that goes unsaid about being a woman and the female experience, and I just want to cause a little ruckus and talk about it all. And yeah, so Dear Love is my baby, my passion, my dream of bringing menstrual cycle education and just female empowerment to women, and having a place for women of all ages to come and gain empowerment and support and learn about themselves and feel amazed at who they are and how they were built and designed, and to see the power in the experience of being a woman. As for the specific offerings of the channel, I have 3 different offerings. I kind of think of it as like 3 different buckets that I fill with content, and they all go together. So those offerings are videos on health, specifically women's health, cycle education, so that's menstrual cycle education, and faith. When it comes to my faith content, I just started rolling that out this year, so you'll see more of that, but I'm coming from a Christian perspective, but everyone is welcome. I see the power in our faith being such a tool for our health and our well-being, and our faith is such a way that we can see the depth and the sacredness in our design, and to feel supported and empowered from the inside out, and to have the eyes to see the power and the deeper story going on in our bodies. So yeah, those are the offerings of my channel. So you'll see different videos that cover those different topics. I make videos that some are more so geared toward teens and the teenage years, teenage experience. So that's like videos on puberty, first periods, different tips when it comes to periods, and advice. You'll see videos too that are more geared toward, 20s, 30s, that are just more a deeper dive into the cycle phases and sort of like the deeper story going on within the menstrual cycle. And I also hope that my content can be useful for parents to educate themselves as their girls are growing up. Yeah, I definitely have the intention of Dear Love being for a mix of ages of girls and women. And I think too, like, having a space that's kind of mixed ages can be so beautiful, because we can kind of, teach each other. So that's something that I hope to see kind of unfold as Dear Love keeps growing and reaching more people. I offer a mixture of YouTube Shorts content and full-length videos. I also have loved to see how these different videos have become like a landing spot for girls to ask their questions. I always try to answer them as best as I can and give the support that I can. So yeah, that's Dear Love, and I'm so excited to see it grow. It really is like my passion and my dream to be able to support women and to have a big, beautiful channel that just emanates the empowered beauty of womanhood. So I'm so glad that you're here. And again, I'm Greta, and I'm your women's wellness coach. A little bit about me. I'm 24 years old. I didn't go to college. Instead, I took like an alternative route and I did some different certification programs in holistic health and birth mentoring and yoga instructing. And I also did a full deep dive on the menstrual cycle, periods. Yeah, it was all that education and time that I had learning about health and these different perspectives, and spending time with myself and working on healing different aspects of myself, from cystic acne to intense anxiety, and seeing that transformation in myself. That really is where Dear Love has been born from. So that's also just a passion of mine, is to just empower people to follow their heart and follow their dreams and to listen to that guiding voice inside of yourself, because when you follow that voice, there's just so many beautiful experiences and deep healing that happens. So that's also a passion of mine as well that I try to sprinkle throughout my different videos. Yeah, I would say too, I'm a deep girl. Definitely like an introvert, homebody. At the same time, I feel like I'm just weird and silly, and I'm just a 24-year-old girl figuring life out, but I feel like I have a lot to share, and I love using my voice, and yeah. What's some more little things about me? You get to know me a little more. I love writing, I love cooking, I love singing, I love storytelling and filmmaking. I have a couple of short films on the channel. Yeah, I also love like video production. I've had this YouTube channel for a little over a year now, but I actually have been making YouTube videos for like 9 years. I started in high school and my first channel was called Greta Jane. It's still up, so if you want to go look at the archives, that's kind of where I learned all my filming and editing skills and just using my voice, learning how to use my voice, all that. So that's also a huge passion of mine, is filming, video production, storytelling, and communication. So I love all that. I love making YouTube videos. It's been a long time, so it's cool to be able to combine my the passion of my heart with like these skills that I've built. So that's another big part of me, is these interests of like filming and making the actual YouTube videos. But yeah, I don't know, I love spending time with my family. My sisters at this stage of my life are my best friends. I'm a middle child, and I'm one of 6 kids. I've got 3 older sisters, and I have a younger sister and a younger brother, so I'm both a little sister and an older sister. So it's also fun to like make these videos and feel like I can be like a big sister to all of the girls who need help and support in their lives, in their girlhood and early womanhood. So yeah, I hope that gives you a little idea of who I am and what Dear Love is all about. And yeah, I just want to welcome you, and I'm so grateful that you're here and you found my channel. It really is, you being here is like making my dream become a little bit more alive, and it's just so special to me. Welcome to Dear Love.